Alright, so welcome back to another video. Today we will be washing the Prelude before school starts. The Prelude is pretty dirty, as you can see here. It's been dirty because of the rain and just the random rain we get, and then it's all sunny and all the water, there's like hella water spots on the car. So we're gonna wash it. I got something for you guys, hold on. Alright, you guys ready for this? Yes sir. Got the Honda NH624P white pearl paint that I'm going to be touching up on the Prelude. The Prelude has chip paint. As you can see here, the Prelude has a bunch of chip paint. I'm going to be using the touch-up paint to hopefully make the car look better. It's been pretty chipped. It got more chipped over the years of driving, but we're going to try to restore it with this genuine product I got from Amazon. Link in the description below if you have a white Prelude or any Prelude that could be touched up with this type of paint. It doesn't look like it's dirty, but the car is pretty dirty. I'm gonna give it a nice wash. I'm not gonna detail it. I'll detail it later. I do have that black fender on. Planning on wrapping it or painting it. Let's get to washing. First off, here's the things you need. You always need 2 buckets of water, soap in your car, and running water. All right, so I got the Griot's car wash, the best car wash lubricant soap. Link in bio is the best. I'm not using any wax or anything because I will be detailing this car like I mentioned. Car is squeaky clean, as you can see here. Ooh, look at that. But now we're getting to the fun part. The washing part was in, but now we're gonna get to the painting of the small rock dents I have in my car. I've been wanting to do some touch-ups on it, but I was scared. I just said fuck it, I'm gonna pull the trigger, buy it from Amazon and see how it looks. Man, look at these paint chips. Ooh, that's gnarly. All in the front too, and this is right where a lot of the paint chips are for Preludes too. It wasn't like this when I got it, and even on the hood too. Look at that, right there, bam, there, bam, right there, there, and there, and even up here. It's pretty bad. Let's get to it. This thing says to shake 20-30 seconds to mix paint. All right, I guess we'll shake. Five. All right, 25, right in the middle. Start paint flow by depressing pen tip. I'm left-handed. I have to start from the right to left. Okay. Well, now that we know what I'm doing, let's go from right to left. And that's the first half of the car. Ooh, it looks kind of good. See, from this distance and on the camera, you can't really tell. It kind of looks dirty from the eye, but if you look up really close, you can see the touch-up. If I come from here, you can't tell at all. It looks really good. But if you come closer, you can see some chipping. But this side is definitely sheesh. All right, let's do these up here. Right there. Can you see them? Loving it so far. Let's go. The hard part is that you kind of have to get it to come equal. Alright, now that we did most of the top part, I'm gonna switch to the paintbrush and just try to trim the bottom. You know, this bottom part. Okay, looks way better now. Damn. Now let's do the part where we're all been wanting to see. Oh shit. Alright y'all, that's it for today's video. We washed the car before school and we touched up the paint for the hood of the car. And man, I love it. It looks, well, you can't even tell now from here. Usually you'll be able to see some black spots and shit, but you can't even tell now. So mission successful. It looks like a whole new front end now. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Thanks for sticking with me. On the next one, we'll probably paint that or whatever mods comes in. I'll catch you guys on the next one. See you.